Every great project has one thing in common: teams that show up, communicate, and deliver. When deadlines are tight and expectations are high, you don't just need a subcontractor. You need a partner who builds trust as well as infrastructure. That's exactly who we are. We work hand in hand with general contractors across Mississippi and Alabama to keep projects on schedule, on budget, and up to spec, every time. Endeavor IT knows it's not just what gets built, it's how it's done. We show up when we say we will, we get it right the first time, and we leave every site better than we found it. No missed timelines, no callbacks, no guessing if the job's getting done. With roots in technology dating back to 1950 and more than 30 years providing services in the South, we know what it takes to keep a job moving smoothly. Our teams are ISO and BICSI certified, with RCDDs, installers, and field pros who know the difference between done and done right. Because our crews are in-house, you get consistent faces and consistent results every time. When we're on site, we act as an extension of your team, aligning with your schedule, your safety standards, and your success metrics. From copper and fiber cabling to access control, surveillance systems, and network infrastructure, every connection we build enhances and supports your reputation. At the end of the day, it's simple. We don't just install cabling, we install confidence. That's the kind of subcontractor you can build your next project and partnership on. Get the partner you need for any project. Visit us at endeavorit.com or call us directly at 1-833-348-0007. Endeavor IT, your IT partner in every endeavor.